Okay, this is about a program which I wrote called LuSch. LuSch is written in Java. It should run on most machines, and it is free. You can download it and use it. After you've installed it, I'll show you how to install it later. But after you've installed it, you want to index a directory that has the information that you want to search. So here, I'm going to index a directory called home. Okay, so I'm going to index that. So home has files about, that I've kept about things I've done around my house. And I want to be able to search those files for search terms. So there we go. Home has been indexed. And I want to search, I did something in my bathroom once and I had ceramic tile. So I'll search for the word ceramic. I'd only found one document, which is an Excel spreadsheet. I click on that and Excel opens and there's the word ceramic. Okay. By the way, since Excel opened it, if I wanted to change this, I could do that, and because I'm in Excel, right? So there we go. I'll just change that document. Now, let's suppose I want to search for another term like mulch, because I mulched my lawn. All right, a few things come up. There's a plain old text file, another text file, a Word document, and an Excel spreadsheet. Let's bring up the Word document. Let's add something to this. Okay. And I'll close it. Now, I added the word test, but the index which I made doesn't know that because I added the word afterwards. So I want to update this home index. So I just go here and I say reindex the active folder. I'll show you what active folder means later. Now if I look for the word test, it's going to find that document here, where I just added the word test. Bingo. It also finds a PDF document, which I suppose has the word test in it. There we go. Okay. By the way, it uses whatever program that you normally use. Now, for instance, on this machine, I do not use Windows Notepad for text files. I use Notepad++, which is a free program you can download. So, if I click on this, it's going to use the program that Windows normally uses to open up a text file, which is Windows++. Okay, now, you can make multiple indexes. So for instance, suppose I wanted to make another index, and suppose I found myself searching a lot for electrical stuff, so I want to make a separate index of the electrical folder. There it is, and it becomes the active folder. Now if I search for test, I might not find anything in the electrical folder, and I don't. Now, electrical is what I'm searching for at the moment, but I can search for the home folder just by clicking on it. And now I'm back to searching the home folder, and bingo, those things come up. Here, if you mouse over, it'll show you what folder was searched. And if you don't like the name of the folder, maybe you've got two electrical folders, and it's going to be a problem if you index them both, except you just change the label. So we can make electrical 2. All you're doing is changing the label, and now it's called electrical 2. If you want to get rid of an index that you don't like, well, you just go to delete index, and you delete whatever index you want. Let's get rid of electrical. Okay, next. Okay, blah, 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 blah. Now, this program just indexes your files, and it will never delete any of your files, and it never changes them unless you change them yourself in Word or Excel or whatever. But it will delete its own indexes. So that's what it's saying here, that I'm deleting the electrical index. So bingo, I've deleted it, and now it's gone. Let's just close all the other searches. And let's say there's one more thing I should mention. If you're running this on a Linux machine, a Unix machine, maybe the system doesn't know what program you want to use. So you can go over here and tell it. In other words, you can say, when I open a text file, I want to use this program. This is the program I'm already using, by the way, but let's just set it. There we go. And we'll save that. And let's say I had something called ABC, and I wanted to use another program, but I don't know where it is. Well, I click on Chooser, and then I navigate to where the program is that I want to use to open the ABC files. This is also useful. I'm going to cancel this. This is also useful if you're a developer. If you have a whole bunch of Perl or Visual Basic or whatever, when you click on that, you do not want the program to run as the system normally would. You want an editor to open it. So you can say, hey, when I click on a Visual Basic program, use this editor to open it rather than running it like the system normally would. Okay, that's what the program does. It's free. You can download it. You can go over here and look at the license and stuff. And I think I'll stop now. If you want this, just look at the next clip, and that'll show you how to download it and use it. Okay? Thanks.